Once you have signed into your account, then every image file you upload is automatically saved to your gallery. When you click on the Add Image button, you have the option to choose from your gallery. This makes it easier if you want to use the same image over a variety of different card sizes. There is no need to re-upload the image each time. And your gallery is a useful place to store image assets like your logo or any other image that you might regularly reuse. Plus, if you use our fine art print service, you will find that you can access the very same gallery, which makes it very handy if you want to order high-quality G-clay prints. Your gallery can also be used to create your own, ready-to-sell, window-mounted prints, a great way to present your art and sell more of your work.